Hello, I'm Walther Ploos van Amstel, professor in city logistics at the Amsterdam University of Applied Sciences. This Monday, we're going to look at the future of city logistics. Why is city logistics important from a sustainable urban mobility perspective? 1 out of 6 vehicles on the roads in our cities like Berlin and Amsterdam are related to city logistics. And they cause a lot of congestion, a lot of accidents, they cause a lot of pollution. So we need to work on solving those issues. This Monday, we're going to look at the issues of city logistics. We're also going to debunk a lot of myths about city logistics so we can focus on the actual, real, and important issues. What we're going to discuss this Monday is solutions for improving city logistics. Less traffic, cleaner traffic, safer traffic. We're going to look at the role that companies play, and we're going to look at the role that local authorities play in improving city logistics. I hope to see you all on Monday.